Hey y'all, Happy New Year and welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new, welcome and thank you so much for stopping by. My name is Tiffany and I create cleaning, decorating, and organizing videos. If that's something that you like, please consider subscribing before you go. I would love for you to join my family. In today's video, I'll be taking down all of my Christmas decorations. It's New Year's Eve and I don't like to bring the new year in with my decorations still up, so I thought I'd bring you all along with me. So let's get started. So we're going to start outside first. My husband is going to start by taking down the Christmas lights on the house, and then I'm going to go ahead and remove all the decorations from the front porch.
Cherishing what you hold in, and we will make it last. Not often we can see the beauty in the pain. Not often we can see the value that we gain. Now listen, little one, the wounds will heal in time. I know it wastes time, but baby, you'll be fine.
Okay, so now I'm inside and I'm going to start in the dining room, and I'm going to start by taking the tree down first, and then I decided that I would just start in the front of the house and work my way to the back.
That can't be seen. You got that one thing that's hard to come by. It's not your styling, it's not your jeans. No, what you got is deeper within, and your friends don't even know what you got. They just hang with you cause you earn a lot. You should lose them all and start hanging with me, cause I'm the only one who can see. I don't need your dreamy eyes, no. I don't need your pretty smile, no. I just want your perfect mind, yeah. That's all I really need. The things you're saying, it blows my mind. The way you're thinking, it's hard to keep up. You got that beauty and all the brain, yeah, what you got is deeper within, and your friends don't even know what you got. They just hang with you cause you earn a lot. You should lose them all and start hanging with me, cause I'm the only one who can see. I don't need your dreamy eyes, no. I don't need your pretty smile, no. I just want your perfect mind, yeah. That's all I really need. I don't need your edgy style, no. I don't need your hang-arounds, no. I just want your perfect mind, yeah. That's all I really need. If I might say, you light up my day so bright. You show me your way, and I'm no match for you. No, I'm no match for you. Ooh, I don't need your dreamy eyes, no. I
So I didn't buy anything fancy to store my ornaments in. I just put them in plastic bags and labeled each bag with each room that the decorations were in. And then I just put everything in those red storage bins that you see there. I got those from Walmart when they were on sale for like 30% off. So I got like 2 of those, the 30-gallon storage bins for like $9 a piece. And then I ended up having to go back and get 2 more because the 2 that I had in the beginning just weren't enough. And so I bought 2 more 30-gallon storage bins, and then I purchased a 45-gallon storage bin. And with that, I was able to store everything.
Baby, I need to know if you are serious about us. Yeah, baby, your love is cold, but I don't feel the trust. Something's not adding up. What you been up to? Drinking all night. Who's that right by your side? Why don't you tell me now? Oh, why you calling me late at night, saying you need a ride when you don't tell me why? I got a thing about you, you got a thing about me too, but you keep playing with my feelings, even though you know I got a thing about you.
So now that I'm done in the dining room, I'm gonna go ahead and move into the family room. And once I finish taking everything down, I'm just gonna go ahead and dust and vacuum and put everything back the way it was.
When you don't show on time, when you go out of line, yeah. Sorry is a word of truth. It isn't always enough. Sometimes you gotta hide. What you been up to? Drinking all night. Who's that right by your side? Why don't you tell me now? Oh, why you calling me late at night, saying you need a ride when you don't tell me why? I got a thing about you, you got a thing about me too, but you keep playing with my feelings, even though you know I got a thing about you. We got a thing for each other, so don't go wasting what you feeling. Don't be dumb, be dumb, be dumb. 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 Baby, 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 baby. Now
mean to me. I can get my head around how we used to be. You said you love me, and I gave my heart. You cannot care less, you were tearing me apart. Oh, I'm running.
So now I'm moving into the kitchen. There wasn't much to do in here. I just needed to take the tree down and wipe the counters down really well and vacuum the floors.
This cannot be. Trying to find another way. Yeah, I think my head always knew it, but I didn't tell my heart. Let go, I couldn't do it without falling apart. So give me something now. Oh, give me a fix, tell me if it's whatever that's wrong. So give me something now. Oh, give me a fix, tell me if it's whatever that's wrong. Yeah. So give me something now. Give me a fix, tell me if it's whatever that's wrong. So give me something now. Oh, give me a fix, tell me if it's whatever that's wrong. I'm running away from. Give me something.
So now I'm in my bedroom, and again, there's not much to do in here. My room was basically pretty clean. I just needed to take down the tree and remove the garland that I had on my headboard.
'Cause I don't know how this gonna end. Oh no. Tell me now, tell me something. 'Cause I don't wanna be just friends.
And so now I'm in my bathroom, and I'm just going to take down all the decorations in here. And once I'm done with that, I'm going to clean the sinks out and wipe the counters down really well. And then I'm going to shake the rugs out and vacuum the floor.
I didn't mean to hurt you, babe. Oh no. If you decide to leave, you will help me anyway. Maybe I am too naive, but I'm choosing to believe that you will give me another chance. Oh, so tell me now, can we find love? Can we go back to where we were? All I want is to love you. Start all over. Tell me now. Yeah. Don't leave, wait a minute. Let me make up for the wrongs I did.
Okay, y'all, so I thought that I was done, and I realized that I had forgotten about the guest room. So now I'm just going to go ahead and take everything down in here, and then I'm going to dust and vacuum the floors and put everything back like it was.
If you decide to leave, you will help me anyway. Maybe I am too naive, but I'm choosing to believe that you will give me another chance. Oh, so tell me now, can we find love? Can we go back to where we were? ways to be close to you, but I don't know how and what to do. I'm so shy when it comes to you, but I guess you're curious, huh? So let me show you what I can do, 'cause I don't mind taking my time to stay in this bed now, never get out, 'cause I would love wasting time with you, baby, 'cause I know it will be heaven making love with you. I would love wasting time with you, baby, 'cause I know it will be heaven making love with you. Love is in the air tonight. I am yours, so hold me tight. Love is in
Okay,
the
y'all,
air
that's all for today.
tonight.
I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and click that bell so you never miss an upload. And please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll see y'all in the next one.
See it in your eyes. You want this even more. Like we are soulmates. Something we never felt before. Yeah, I don't mind taking